Last year, I did a video explaining why Elementor was the best website builder on the market in 2019. This year, I want to do the same exact thing. I want to give you 10 reasons why you should still pick Elementor if you want to create websites, landing pages, and funnels. And if you're still not using Elementor, I suggest you to try. You have a link in the description of this video where you can start with the free version and then decide by yourself if you want to pay for the premium one. I'm Alessandro and I'm an online marketing expert, and in this channel I teach you how to quit 9 to 5, how to get private clients, and how to regain your personal and financial freedom creating an online business on the side. If you like what I just mentioned, I suggest you to get on my Facebook group. You have the link in the description as well. And there you will find a lot more content about these things, and you will get in touch with all the other members. So it's gonna be amazing. I totally suggest you to step on. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You have the red button below, and then don't forget to click on the bell so you will get a notification every time I will post a new video on this channel. But let's get into my 10 reasons why you should still pick Elementor in 2020 as a website builder. Welcome to the Growth Academy. If you have no idea what it is, a website builder, well, it's a tool that allows you to create web pages quickly and easily, even if you don't know anything about HTML or CSS. Usually you have a drag and drop system. You pick your element, you drag your element inside the page, and in a matter of 1 hour or even less, you will have your web page ready. You may think that those website builders are just for people who don't know anything about coding or creating a web page, right? Well, take my example. I've been working as a web designer for many years, and anyway, even if I know a lot about HTML and CSS, I still use Elementor to create my web pages and my funnels. Why? Well, this leads us to the reason number 1 you should pick Elementor. Simplicity. Elementor is super simple to use and it's fun. You just need to pick the element that you want in the sidebar, drag the element inside the page, and keep doing that until your page is completed. Super simple. And if you don't know anything about design and you don't know how to start creating a web page from scratch, well, you have so many templates that you can use, so everything is done for you. Number 2, integration with WordPress. If you're not using WordPress for your blog and your website, shame on you, you should start using it. It's the best system, it's the most reliable system on the web right now to run blogs and websites. And you have no idea how difficult it was before Elementor to style and design your blog. It was a pain in the ass, I can tell you that. With Elementor, it's super simple. You just create a template for your blog, and all the articles that you will write, you will create after, they will use the same style that you created in your template in the first version. It's absolutely simple and it's super fun now that you can do it. Reason number 3 is the integration with third-party plugins. Elementor got more and more popular along the years, and this is the reason why many companies created plugins that expand and improve Elementor functionalities. If you have no idea of what these plugins are, well, I have something for you. I created a list of the best 5 free plugins for Elementor. You have the list in the description, you have a link there, click on the link and then you can download this list and start working with those plugins that will make Elementor even better. Reason number 4 is that Elementor is improving day by day, even if you don't use third-party plugins. Elementor is already great as it is, but I can tell you the best thing about this software is that there is a team working constantly behind it to make it better and better. The latest new features that I really loved for Elementor were the possibility to create a multi-step form and integration with Lottie animations. Number 5, there is an element for anything you have in your mind. Whatever you want to put in your page, there is an element for it. If you want to put there a button or social buttons or a carousel or testimonial box or a pricing table, there is everything. There is an element for everything, absolutely everything. Sometimes it's even scary because it looks like they are reading my mind. Alright, before I keep going with the next 5 reasons, if you like what I said so far, like the video with the like button that you have below this video. It's important for me because based on the number of likes, I understand what kind of videos I have to do in the future. So help me understand this and like the video. Reason number 6, with Elementor you can create web pages that are really fast to load. And this is incredible for a website builder. Usually website builders create pages that are really slow because they put a lot of CSS, a lot of JavaScript, and a lot of shit that will make your pages slow. But Elementor has an incredible engine that will make your pages really fast. So don't worry about speed. Reason number 7, price. For what you get back with Elementor, the price is nothing, it's absolutely cheap. The cheaper version, the cheaper license for Elementor is $49 per year. That is absolutely nothing for the kind of tool that you will have in your hands. If you want to get the most expensive license that allows you to create all the websites you want, it's $199. Still, absolutely nothing for the possibility that you get. Reason number 8 is support. And I take this chance to say thank you very much to the support team in Elementor because they were always friendly and they helped me really fast to fix every problem and every issue I had with the tool. And it's really difficult to find a support like this, that fast and that qualified. Sometimes you open a ticket with a tool and you have to wait for days and days. Elementor is not like this. They reply immediately and they will do everything they can to help you. Reason number 9 is the community around Elementor. Elementor has a huge community, it organizes events, it has regular meetings worldwide, and even the Facebook group has something like 65,000 members in it. So imagine the family that you will join when you will get the tool. Reason number 10 is that Elementor has been around for a while. And this is really important when you have to pick a tool. Nowadays there are website builders that are popping up almost every day. But even if they look great, they don't have the history there is behind that Elementor has. Elementor has been founded something like 5 years ago, almost 5 years ago. So it had a long time to fix all the problems and to fix all the issues. And this is important. This is a solid system that you're using. It's not another tool that's been created yesterday and has a lot of bugs. Here you go, you have my 10 reasons why you should use Elementor, and if you want to know something more, well, join my Facebook group. You have the link in the description. I post every single day new content in that group and I post about Elementor as well. So if you have questions or if you want to have any advice from me, well, join the group. It's totally free and you will connect with a lot of other people that are like-minded. Question of the day: are you already using Elementor or not? And in case you're not using it, what stopped you? Write the answer in the comments, reply below, and I will read all the comments that will be in the comment area. So I'll see you there in the comments, or I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!